Alright guys, I'm running punt number 1158, which is the Strange Academy Comic Mint A cover, which is a Momoko trade Halo 9.8. Thanks everyone for such a quick fill. Let's get a timestamp. 4:25 on the 7th of November. And it's 4:25 here in Perth on the 7th of November. List is number 1. We have Dak all the way to spot 100, which is Kevin. I'll put those in. 100 is Kevin. Up there to the top, which is Dak. I'll roll the dice 3 times. 10 plus 6 is 16. 5, 10, 16. Nice long one. Alright, let's go. Number 1, 100 in the list, so we're good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 times 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 6 is 16, so we got 16 rolls, we're up to 14. Second last one, 15. Good luck everyone. Hopefully got that. So 16 times, double check that, 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 6 is 16. And good luck winner, and hit me up when you've seen this and I'll post it out for you tomorrow. Here we go. Christine, congrats on the win. Let me know all your details and I'll have it out for you tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Get a time. Oops. 6:27 on the 7th of November. 6:27 on the 7th of November. Thanks everybody.